The cross-section tool now includes a new option called Snap Extra Cross-Sections to Points. To demonstrate how this new feature works, we have a model made up of two meshes, and we've added two cut lines which have been scaled up to ensure they're taller than the mesh midpoint. We open the cross-section tool options and select evenly spaced cross-sections between cut lines with a number of points of 17. We want 3 panels, so 4 cross-sections with 10 extras, and use simple mesh edge as a cross-section. We run the tool, and when we delete the meshes, we can see that we don't have a poly at the high point of the model. Now this time we'll select the new option to Snap Extra Cross-Sections to Points. We select everything including the CAD point that's been added to the top corner we want to capture. When we run the tool now and delete the meshes, we can see the nearest extra cross-section has bowed to snap to the point we added. I'll color it yellow to highlight it.